Keep over that tree. I think, oh, dude, perfect shot.
First kill on a new freaking stand, baby.
That's our first kill out of the new stand, bud. This is what I say every single time I kill something. You hunt things like all things. I hunt birds just like I do deer. I hunt squirrels just like I do deer. I'll hunt anything just like I do deer. Everything I treat them equally. I hunt them equally. I sat in a tree stand that I made by myself. I put a plaque up there in the tree, and I just killed a freaking bird out of it. That makes me so happy, and especially to do it with my little brother too. I'm so glad that he brought his camera too, because I set that thing right up there. Oh my god, this video is amazing, dude. I love hunting so much.
Hopefully you guys, we had such a fun time.
Oh
Hopefully
yes.
You guys have a fun time watching this.
Sure, no, this is pretty darn cool. To shoot it, that is a 20-yard shot I shot up in this tree right here. Shot him right off that branch. That's cool. Alright guys, that is the end of today's video. I'm so glad we got it done. I've been wanting one of these guys. How come I can hit like from that far, but I can't hit from 10 yards away from on our deck to the bird feeder? Makes no sense. And I'm so glad I cited this in that one video. You guys should go definitely check that out. You got this bird done. Yes, let's go, baby. This was such a fun video to make. So fun. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure.